make money selling apps. Okay, we're going to use Builderall. We're going to sell apps, and by the end of this video, stick to the end of the video because you're going to have the tools and the training you're going to need to make $500,000 online. Okay, so stick to the end of the video and you're going to learn how to make $500,000 online. You're going to watch how other people do it. I'm going to show you exactly how they do it so you can do it too. Nothing's stopping you from doing it. Okay, so if that sounds like something that would interest you, hit the subscribe button because my videos are all about making money online. Hit the like button, leave a comment below. How do you make money online? Do you want to make money online? At the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you the number one reason why you're not going to be successful online. The number one reason, the number one secret that no one's going to tell you why you're not going to make money online. I already know that you're not going to make money online. But if you want to know why, stick to the end of the video. Okay? When we started our family, I wanted my wife to stay home and raise the kids. Crazy, right? Every month was a struggle financially. I had to do odd jobs, side jobs, second jobs to make ends meet. It wasn't fun. So in 2010, I lost my job. I didn't know you could make money online, never thought you could. And I started looking at some videos. I started learning about drop shipping. I started learning about retail arbitrage, about affiliate marketing. And then I started learning how to make landing pages and sales funnels and email marketing and building websites and ranking stuff in Google. And then, of course, that led to ads, social media marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, you name it. I've tried it all. And then I became an affiliate for Builderall. Okay, Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform you can get for the price. It's for one low price. Okay, it's got over 30 apps that you can make money with. And stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you just about how valuable Builderall is. So I became an affiliate for Builderall, and now I want to show other people how to do what I'm doing. Okay, so stick to the end of the video, like and subscribe to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Okay, come on, let's go into the computer. Okay, here we are on the computer. We're going to show you how to make money with Builderall. Builderall has over 30 apps that you can make money with, okay? And it's ridiculous. So let's go right into Builderall. I'm not going to waste your time. Okay, so let me pop over to this side. And we're going to go right up here by where it says apps, okay? And this is all the apps that it has, okay? You got website builders, okay? So we're going to turn around and we're going to build some websites. We're going to show you how people make money building a simple landing page. Now, a landing page is something that people land on in a sales funnel, okay? So people can go to a place like Fiverr. Now, Fiverr, I'm not going to tell you to open up an account on Fiverr and sell on Fiverr. You can definitely do that and make some money. These people did. Okay, but I'm going to talk to you about going to Facebook groups and getting known in the groups. Don't spam. It's very hard to do, very, very hard to do. But if you're good and you can sell yourself in the groups, you can sell services. Okay, or you can go on Facebook ads or Google ads and put ads for your services. And that's getting ahead of it myself. Okay, so let's look into some of these here. Okay, simple and affordable. He's going to build a website, and it starts at $150, right? So, okay, $150 is the basic plan, and you're going to get one page with 3 plugin extensions. You're not going to get e-commerce. You're not going to get any kind of other thing here. So that's for $150. If you go for the standard, which is $395, you're getting 5 pages, and you need more than one page if you're going to use Facebook ads because you need a whole bunch of different pages. You need legal pages, and there's all kinds of stuff. So, and design, customization, 5 plugin extensions. So basically, a lot of people are going to get the $395, but we're going to work with the $150. All right. So let's figure out how much money this guy's making. Okay, we're going to backwards engineer this thing, okay? So if you look over here, he's got 5-star reviews. He's got 308 reviews. Now, in my experience, Fiverr sends emails after you buy services so that you leave reviews. So it's a pretty high number of people who leave reviews. But let's say it's 10%. So we're going to add 10%. So we're going to go to the calculator. So if it was 308, it would be 3,080, right? So 3,080 times 150, $462,000. This guy's made almost $500,000 building simple landing pages. Okay, building simple landing pages, very, very easy to do. And that's just one service. Okay, Builderall has 30 apps. That's one app. Okay, so let's see what else we got. We got landing pages. We got lead capture pages. Okay, let's go to the apps. Again, we're going to use the website builders. Okay, these three, and you can use even the WordPress 3-click integration. But let's go back to Fiverr quickly, and let's look up for here's one for a landing page. Okay, so they're going to create a landing page. Let's click on it quick and see what do you get for $25. Okay, so the basic plan is $25. You get social media, you get one section responsive. You don't get an opt-in form, and you don't get the autoresponder integration. Okay, you need that. Okay, you need that for if you can't capture their email without the opt-in form. Standard plan. So the standard plan is $50. All right, gives you the opt-in form. If you want the autoresponder set up for the email autoresponder, that's the premium plan, and he's selling it for $75. Okay, so we're going to say in order to get the page to work, you're going to need the opt-in form, you're going to need the autoresponder, so they're going to have to pay the $75. So it's 441 reviews. So we're going to say it's 4,440, right? So 4,400 right, times 75. Okay, $330,000. Okay, they made doing this. Okay, so see how simple it is to make this kind of money selling, and this is on Fiverr. You're gonna be able to make a good living. Of course, this took time for them to make. They didn't make this overnight. This took time. So let's go to the next app we got here. Okay, and guess what? Ecommerce Store. You can build an e-commerce store with Builderall. Okay, so you can build an e-commerce store. So if we go over to Fiverr, okay, so we're going to build an e-commerce store. So she'll build an e-commerce store, whoever that is, starting at $120. Let's see what kind of store they're going to build. So for $120, they're paying one page, 5 products. Okay, that's really not a big store. Okay, so 5 products on one page, and you're going to need more than one page. Okay, you need a sales page, you need a thank you page, you need legal pages. Okay, so here you go. So the standard is $220. It's got 3 pages, 10 products, responsive design. Okay, so we're going to say that most people are going to go for the middle of the road. So we've got $290. So 290 reviews. So remember I said 10% of people leave reviews. So that would mean if you times 290 by 10%, you're going to get 2,900. And you're going to times that number by the 220. This person made $638,000. $638,000 building simple stores, e-commerce stores, and you can build them with Builderall. Okay, now I can go through all of these apps and show you how you can make money with all of these different apps. Okay, and we can go through every one of them. Let's go on one more. Okay, let's go on the SEO on-page report. Other apps that we have a chatbot, guys selling chatbots at $65. Okay, then there's over here autoresponder email setup. They'll set up email autoresponders for $15 starting, but that's simple short emails. If you're going to send an email campaign, there are a lot more. So the SEO audit is what I was just showing you. you can put your website in and what keywords you want to rank for, your H1 tags and everything, and it'll give you a report on what you're ranking for and what you would need to do to change to the site in order to rank for the keywords you want to rank for. So you can sell that service pretty simply. So $147 at $25, right? So I mean, this is not $500,000, but it's just all the services you can sell with Builderall. Okay, so 147, you're going to times that by 10%. Okay, we're going to times that by the $25. Okay, and so they made $36,000 doing SEO reports, simple SEO reports on simple websites. Okay, now you can do that, and you can get clients either through Facebook groups, you can get clients through Facebook ads, you can get clients through Google ads, you can get clients from ranking your website. You can use the SEO tool. You can build a website. You can rank on Google. Let me show you what you can do. Okay, this is a template on Builderall, and you can turn around and you can change everything to your liking and your pictures, and put your services. Create a really nice website and rank it in Google for your services, and you can also do stuff like that. Okay, so that's something you can do pretty easily with Builderall. All right. So now I've shown you how you can basically get yourself set up with a digital marketing business where you could potentially make $500,000 with your business, with selling websites, selling sales funnels, selling e-commerce stores, SEO reports. There's 30 apps, like I told you, 30 apps. Okay. There they all are. Okay. Now there's funnel builders. There's script generators for you want to do copywriting. You could sell copywriting for emails. You can make a lot of money doing that. Okay. Now, of course, you can also do your own affiliate marketing, building your own sales funnels for yourself and sell your own products. That's a whole other aspect. Builderall is multi-layered, multiple streams of income based off of this one platform, 30 apps. And not only that, but they have an affiliate program. Okay, so stick with me for 1 second while we go back onto the affiliate page. I'm going to spend a lot of time on here, but there's an earnings calculator. Okay, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen this before. Okay, so here we are in the earnings calculator, and let me come down over here in the middle. All right, now basically is how many sales can you make in a year if you're going to sell Builderall. Now you've seen the value in the Builderall platform, all the apps, 30 apps, building websites, building funnels, building email marketing. I didn't even go into Mailing Boss. They have their own email marketing platform, and you get that for free, all based on the one price. Okay, so how many sales can you sell in a year? How many people that you sell to are going to want to, buy Builderall? Okay, so you're going to turn around, and I'm going to say, if you could sell one a week, okay, which that would make you a really bad salesman if you could only sell one a week. So that's 52 in that year's time. So in that year's time, you sold one a week, 52. And now you every month residual income. Every month you're going to be bringing home $1,000, and that's without doing anything else. Now, out of those 52 people, how many of those people? Because this is a 2-tier affiliate program where you're going to get paid 30% off of what they sell. So, how many of these people are going to want to sell Builderall as well, become affiliates? They're going to see the value in it, see what you saw, and want to do the same thing. Well, it's probably a high number, half, maybe a little more than half, but let's say it's not half. Let's be a little conservative. Let's go, 16. So we're going to say 16 people out of the 52, and let's agree that's a low number because maybe you see the value in it, more people, and it's easy enough to promote. You're using the tools, you're paying for the tools for Builderall. Oh, and by the way, you sell 3 memberships to Builderall, it pays for itself. You're getting it for free. Okay, so it pays for itself. We'll just get 3 sales. All right, so now those 16 people, how many sales can they make in that year? Now you made 52, one a week. Okay, you're a bad salesman. They're going to be terrible salesmen. Okay, they're worse than you. They sold 1 a month, so they only sold 12. Okay, so now at the end of that year, $5,000 $1,600, $116, $5,116. That's what you're going to bring home every month. Residual income. Okay, residual income, passive income. You've heard of passive income. So $5,116. If you do this in a year, now can we agree that you making 52 sales in a year, one a week, is a low number? And can we agree 16 of those people are going to decide to become salesmen as well? And that's a low number. And can we agree that them each getting only 12 sales a year, 12 sales in a year, that we can agree that's a low number, and you're still making $5,000? Now, not only are you making $5,000 with Builderall, you're selling all the apps, okay, the landing pages, the sales funnels, the e-commerce stores, the SEO reports, all together making all of that money, okay? Hand over foot, multiple streams of income, and before you know it, you'll be on top of the world. Okay, so how's that sound? Does that sound something that you can do? Well, I'm telling you, join me. You get mentorship with me. Join under me. There'll be a link for a 14-day free trial. You'll get the mentorship after the trial. So get in, try the apps, try it out for the 14 days. Send me a message after you become a paid member, and you'll get the free mentorship. Okay? All right.